Hello friends, here are three words that people often get confused with. The words are adapt, adept and adopt. Let's understand. Let's look at the first word, adapt. Adapt means to change something or to suit different conditions or uses. നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ പൊരുത്തപ്പെടുക എന്ന് പറയും. അതായത് ഒരു പുതിയൊരു കാര്യവുമായി നമ്മൾ പൊരുത്തപ്പെടുക. For example, the children are finding it hard to adapt to the new school. The second word, adept, means skilled or proficient at something. നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ പ്രഗത്ഭൻ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. For example, she is adept at dealing with the media. The final word, adopt. It has two different meanings. First one, to legally take a child and bring it up as one's own. ദത്തെടുക്കുക. For example, they have adopted a girl child. Another meaning is choose to take up, follow or use. സ്വീകരിക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുക. For example, the company has adopted a new strategy to attract the customers. Hope the difference is clear now. For more useful tips, follow Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.